Hey guys, Holly here from HolliDay, AnyDay, and what's Holly drinking today? Well, today we're gonna make a nice concoction from gray whale gin. It's a recipe that's on their site. I tweaked it just slightly, and I'm calling it a Gin-ger Bee, okay? So let's start out with some ice in our shaker, of course. Then, let's go with a couple little guys of our gin. To that, we're going to add some freshly squeezed lemon juice. And here's where the name comes in. I've made a ginger honey syrup, hence the Gin-ger Bee. Give them a shake. The recipe is very similar. I think the measurements are a little bit different, that's all. But you can find this recipe on our site. So I'm going to carefully pour this out because it's a pretty strainer, but it doesn't always work very good. You can see the honey definitely gives it a little color. Oh, it's so yummy. Ooh. Then, why don't we garnish it with a little flower, since we know honeybees need to go to flowers. Oopsie. Isn't that pretty? Okay, let's try it. The ginger comes through and the honey comes through. It really makes a difference. Very different from simple syrup. Give that one a try. It's very tasty. It's easy breezy.